Hi everyone, so the question is, if you close your Shopify store, do you still get billed? And the quick answer is no, you will not still get billed if you decide to close down your Shopify store. So there's two options. You can either pause your store. This will bring your store into almost a dormant setting, and you'll be charged a reduced plan price until you're ready to sell again. Or if you decide to close your store, all the functionality is gone, so you won't still get billed. It's important to note that if you have plugins that you're paying for your Shopify or on your Shopify, that you cancel those individually, because if you don't, you will still get charged for those. And however, the only way that you would get billed for Shopify itself is if you have an outstanding balance. So if you have any balance before you close out your store, you make sure that you pay those off before closing it. After you do that, you can close your store and you won't get billed anymore. Hope that helps. Have a great day.